Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. So for my today's video, I'll be reviewing this product right here. So this is the M Caffeine Naked and Rich Choco Body Butter. So since the winter season is here, we all are looking for the perfect body butter. कोई ऐसा एक क्रीम जो हमारी स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज रखे, हमारी स्किन को ड्राई एंड फ्लेकी होने ना दे. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव चोजन दिस प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज दिस प्रोडक्ट इज हाइप्ड एंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा नायका पे इसके रिव्यूज़ आ रहे हैं. So I thought of trying this product and letting you guys know if this is the best body butter or if this body butter can be used during winters. So yeah, I think without any further ado, let's just get into the video and let's get started with the review. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, and to get notified every time that I upload a new video, please hit the bell icon. So first, talking about the quantity of this product, the product net quantity is 250 grams. So 250 grams is a very good quantity. I feel the bottle is also quite big. You can see that इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट है. The product was actually filled till the top, but मैंने इसे थोड़ा सा यूज़ कर लिया है. So yeah, the quantity is really good. Talking about the ingredients, this product has argan oil, there is vitamin E, there's cocoa butter, and it is paraben free. So इसमें कोई chemicals नहीं है and काफ़ी अच्छे products इसमें use हुए हैं. मतलब argan oil, vitamin E, all of these products have moisturizing properties. So the ingredients are really nice. Now talking about the packaging, so the packaging is quite good. Heavy packaging है, but I mean all in all it looks like a nice product. However, glass packaging है, so अगर height से ये product गिर जाता है तो of course ये breakable है. So I would always suggest that keep it away from children. Also, I would like to mention that I don't think this packaging is travel friendly. It is a little heavy. So if you want to travel, आपको इसे कोई दूसरे कंटेनर में शिफ्ट करके ट्रैवल करना होगा. So yeah, coming to the smell of this product, जिसके लिए I think it's one of the reason why this product is hyped. The flavor is cocoa butter with caramel. So let me just smell this product. Okay, so I love the smell of this product because it smells of coffee, it smells of caramel, shea butter, and जिनको भी इस टाइप का स्मेल पसंद है, you will love it. It is a distinct strong smell. बहुत ज़्यादा mild fragrance नहीं है, हल्का सा strong है. So people who do not like the smell of coffee, caramel, shea butter, I don't think this product is for you. But all of the coffee lovers, I think you really like the smell of this product. It smells amazing. Now इसका जो MRP है वो है 645. 645 for a body butter is I think a little too pricey. क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा है डेफिनेटली, बट आई फील इंडियन मार्केट्स पे बॉडी बटर्स मिल जाते हैं जो इससे कम रेंज के होते हैं. However, we're going to try this product and we'll see if it's actually worth the price. The very first time that you hear 645 for a cream, for a body butter, it sounds expensive, but we're going to try this product and see if it's worth. So let's get started. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes that I've applied the product. एंड आप देख सकते हो कि अभी भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा शाइन दिख रहा है. सो इट डेफिनेटली आई थिंक दिस प्रोडक्ट विल टेक टाइम फॉर इट टू सीप इन. यू नो, अभी तक इट्स बिन अराउंड 2 to 5 minutes. अभी तक ये प्रोडक्ट पूरा सीप इन हुआ नहीं है. It will take time to absorb. So yeah, I definitely feel that it is a little sticky because it takes time to absorb in. So as soon as you apply, I think 5 to 10 minutes के लिए this product will feel sticky on your hands. मेरे hands पे अब ये sticky लग रहा है, but it is super moisturizing. काफ़ी ज़्यादा इसने मेरे hands को moisturize कर दिया है. So I definitely think that this product can be used in winters, especially extra dry skin जिनकी है. You know, I think this product will be great for you because it has deep moisturizing properties. But yeah, this is sticky, and I think it will take some time for the product to seep in. I will wait for around 3 to 4 hours, and then I'll tell you if the smell stays on, and तब तक भी अगर मेरे हाथ moisturized होते हैं या नहीं. So that clip I'll definitely insert in. Okay, so now I'll be giving the entire review of this product, highlighting the pros and cons. I'll be starting with the pros. The first good point is the quantity. So 250 grams का ये product है. So I feel the quantity is great. This product will definitely last you an entire season. And सबसे ज़्यादा ये winters पे ही use होगा because it's a body butter, it's moisturizing. So I think the entire winter season this product will last, which is great. The second good point is the ingredients. This product has argan oil, it has vitamin E, it does not have any parabens. So sensitive skin वालों के लिए product भी अच्छा रहेगा since कोई chemicals नहीं है. The third good point is the smell. So it has that coffee, caramel, shea butter smell. The smell of this product is great. So that's a good point. And fourth, of course, that it is really moisturizing. Body butters are supposed to be moisturizing, and ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा moisturizing है. Talking about the cons, the first one I would say that a product sticky है. It takes time to absorb in. It's been around 10 minutes कि मैंने ये क्रीम लगाया है. अब जाके थोड़ा absorb होना start हुआ है. It still feels a little sticky. So sticky definitely है ये product. The second con I would say is that थोड़ा सा ये pricey है. I mean 645 for a product मैंने इसलिए लिया है because I want to review it for you guys. But personally I would purchase it on a discount. नायका पे डिस्काउंट्स चलते रहते हैं. I think even now there's 10% discount on this product. Amazon पे there's 20 to 30% discount. So discount पे आप ये product उठा सकते हो. But ऐसे I feel it is a little pricey. So yeah, overall I think it's a great product winters के लिए. The ones who are finding a perfect body butter cream जो आपके skin को moisturize करे, it definitely is a good product. And अगर आपको coffee का smell पसंद है, so you should definitely buy it. However, price थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. So अभी Amazon, Nykaa पे discount चल रहा है. आप discount पे ये product खरीद सकते हैं. Okay guys, so it's been 4 hours that I've applied the cream, and this is how my hand looks. It feels really moisturized, and अब पूरा stickiness चला गया है. It's been 4 hours, so the product has been absorbed really well. And आप देख सकते हो कि बिल्कुल भी flaky and dry नहीं है मेरे hands. It is super moisturized, so that's a great thing. However, जो एक strong fragrance थी when I applied the cream, the coffee flavor, अब वो fragrance नहीं है. I can't smell anything. So I don't think that the fragrance stays for too long. 1 to 2 hours रहता है, and since it's been 4 hours, the fragrance is completely gone. But this cream is extremely good for dry skin, especially during winters जब my skin बहुत dry and flaky हो जाती है. This body butter is extremely good, skin को काफ़ी ज़्यादा moisturize कर देता है. It is sticky, it takes a while for the cream to get absorbed in, but once it's done, your skin will feel really soft, moisturized and nice. So yeah. Okay guys, so if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, and for more such videos please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you guys want me to post a review about a certain product, you can list it down in the comment section below. I will definitely check it out and post a review of that soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. I shall see you guys very soon. Bye bye.